So we are back at home now. It's been like 4 days since we got back home. We did have a good trip, minus the shooting on New Year's Eve. But besides that, we both really enjoyed our time there. We do wish that we could have had like an extra day just to get more done, since our New Year's Eve / Friday pretty much got wasted.
I think there were a few things on the last day. I remember riding like the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle ride and the log ride, and I said I was gonna update on how they were, and I don't think I ever did. So just in case, I wanted to say that Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle ride was actually really fun. You could do like, you could spin the handles yourself and kind of tilt how far you wanted to go. And if you did it enough and like leaned correctly, you could almost get completely upside down and do like flips almost. So it was really cool while you were spinning around the mall. And the log ride was amazing. I was so happy that was open. There are actually like 2 drops on it and maybe like 3 lift hills even, and a couple spots where you're kind of just cruising around the top of the mall, getting a really cool view. Cool indoor holiday themed sections right now, and even a really cool part with a giant cow and Paul Bunyan, I think. He's a blue cow. The cow is awesome, and they're huge. They're like 30 feet tall inside this cave, and it was really cool. So I'm so glad I got to go on the log ride.
My favorite ride, I like the Fairly Odd Parents one.
Yeah.
Actually, no, I take that back. Definitely Diego's bus.
Diego's bus.
That one was
fun.
so scary. I was so scared. Like, I was almost crying. Actually, I think my favorite ride thing was the Flyover America.
Oh, Flyover America was amazing.
I wish that we kind of went on it the last day, but it's okay because we can always go back another time, and I'm sure that we will. Definitely not in like the winter, because it is really cold right now.
Oh, we did have a really good trip though. It was really, really cool being able to stay at the Radisson. So if you ever do go to Mall of America, we definitely recommend staying there because it's so convenient with the tunnel that connects to the mall.
And you don't have to like drive and park or walk.
The parking garage there actually, so you pay, I think it's $18 a day, but you get in and out privileges. They validate your parking with your ticket, and then you can go in and out as much as you want. So if you really wanted to go, you know, explore the area, you have to go out to Target like I had to. You can do that easily, and it's really easy to come and go. And then also just the convenience of walking right into the mall. The hotel too has a really nice saltwater pool, a fitness center, and a super cool bar and restaurant.
My favorite like meal too, like the entire trip, I did really like the steak that we got, or that I got from our hotel restaurant, Fire Lake. But the fare on 4, I got a burger and the chips were like really good. I brought them back, and the sour cream and onion dip or whatever it was really good. And
Fare on 4 was a close second, just because, so I probably like the drinks at Fare on 4 better and the experience. But Shamey's having a concert. The food itself, Cantina Laredo, those tacos were really good.
I guess all of the meals were like amazing, but I did enjoy the Cantina Laredo too.
Yeah, so Fare on 4, weirdly enough too, I ate like half my pizza there, and then we took half back to the hotel room and I saved some. I did end up eating it later, and I just ate cold pizza, and the pizza, like, surprisingly, it was almost just as good cold as it was hot, so definitely a plus on that too. So if we do ever go back, we definitely want to spend more time in the Nickelodeon universe.
And the aquarium that we didn't get to do.
The aquarium, do Flyover America again, and if there's like a current special running, like Flyover Hawaii or something, we would definitely do that too. And then also just more shopping and going into a lot of the stores that we didn't get to go into or check out.
And restaurants.
Yeah,
like Margaritaville.
Margaritaville, who knows, there's so much to do there. But also, the most fun part that we've talked about a few times in this video, we want to show you what we got at the mall. So we didn't buy a ton, we didn't really have as much time for shopping as we thought we would, but we did get a few fun things that we're excited to show off.
Alright, so I'm gonna start off with my bag. As you can tell, box lunch, always got Disney stuff there. So from box lunch, I got this Walt Disney World Mickey and Minnie on the Teacup ride in one of the teacups, which I thought was really cute.
And it's also really cool. Some of this stuff from Box Lunch, if you look at the back too, it's actually
Oh, it is for the 50th,
the 50th
anniversary as well. So it does say 50.
And it has it on the tags of the actual shirt. So it's kind of cool that it's a Box Lunch and Disney 50th collaboration.
We went into Bath and Body Works. I did get cotton candy champagne. I love really sweet smelling perfumes, and this one smells like bubbly rosé, sweet strawberry, and pink sugar. So it does smell really good. Of course, I always like getting their little hand sanitizers. I just got Vanilla Bean, Noelle, and Tinkerbell. I think she thinks that it smells good too. She's interested in it, but she can't have any. This is my wristband that I saved from New Year's Eve that we had to wear to get back into our hotel, just to make sure that we were a hotel guest. Oh, and the Nickelodeon theme park and New Year's Eve event wristband
that we wore
that we never got to use.
Yeah, we were able to wear them and use them for like 2 hours in the theme park, and then they were kind of just wasted.
Box Lunch, I did get a lot of Disney air fresheners for my car. I was in need of some new ones, so I got a Beauty and the Beast rose scented one. Winnie the Pooh vanilla air freshener. This one's really cute too. Alice in Wonderland. And this one smells like chamomile. And lastly, I got a Stitch pineapple one, and obviously you can tell it's pineapple by the picture on there, but my car is gonna smell real good. Some other things I have in here were our glasses for our New Year's Eve event.
That didn't happen.
Yeah, but still saved them.
At least we got some cool glasses.
Yeah. And Tinkerbell's favorite little toy. We also got these for New Year's.
Tinkerbell actually hates it. She's very scared of the noise.
But also, another thing that I did get, I got, we went to Lush and we did have a big bathtub in our room, and I love to take baths. So I did get the Goddess Bath Bomb, and I also got just like a mermaid tail like bubble bar, and I enjoyed both of those a lot.
Now I'm going to show a couple of the things that I got. So I did mention that I'd purchased something from the Lego store on our last day, so let's take a look. Nothing big. I didn't get like a whole Lego set or anything. I just thought these were so cute and cool. They're tiny Lego keychains.
It's a Mickey Mouse.
There's Mickey, and they're so cool. And then I also got, it's R2-D2. So it's also a tiny little Lego keychain. These are so cute. I thought he was really adorable, and so now I've got two really, really cute keychains between Mickey Mouse and R2-D2.
You can use them on a lounge flyer.
Yeah, that's my plan, honestly. Probably attach them to a backpack. They were like $6 each, so pretty cheap. I've also got a bunch of stuff from Box Lunch. So I got this shirt that I also thought was really cool. So it's got some of the park icons on there. Mickey and Friends, the Fab 5 or 6. And a bunch of other characters, like you've got Dumbo, Chip and Dale, and a lot of cool things from the parks. And then on the sleeves it says Walt Disney World too, so it almost kind of looks like a Box Lunch Spirit jersey, and it's also for the 50th, so it's really cool that kind of this merch is Box Lunch and Disney 50th.
Also the tag on it does have a 50th anniversary tag.
Yeah, it's got a lot of labeling for the 50th, and I just thought it was a really cool shirt.
I don't think mine had that on it.
I don't think so either. And I really like the pattern and the print, and it fits me perfectly. We got some blind box pins. So these ones, let's see if we can show what's gonna potentially be in them. So these are what you can get inside. So it looks like there's Marie, Dumbo, a Dalmatian, Pinocchio, Alice, Bambi, Lady and the Tramp, and Yeah, I think it is copper. Let us know in the comments if we're wrong, but we're actually right now, I'm gonna do the blind box.
Yay.
And we're gonna open it. It has,
which one?
So there's only one in these boxes. These aren't the ones that have like 2 blind box
Which one?
pins.
Wait, which one are you hoping it is?
I would love to get, I think Marie is really
We
cute.
have to pick one.
Okay, fine, the Dalmatian.
Okay, I'm gonna go for
Lady
Dumbo.
Lady and the Tramp is my second though.
Wait, let me see what... Oh, Lady and the Tramp is cute. Oh, they're all Christmas ones too.
I know, they're really, really
I
cute.
just noticed that. They all have like scarves and stuff
Pinocchio's
on.
holding a snowball.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with Dumbo. Dumbo's really cute.
Here we go.
I'm gonna close my eyes. Don't...
Okay, here we go. It feels like a fairly large
We both
thing.
have to close our eyes like the last time.
Okay, I have my
Pour
eyes
it onto
closed.
my hand. And then we both have to open it at the same time.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Yay! It's the Dalmatian. And he's in a little beanie. He's so cute, so he's kind of just like peeking out from his paws.
Yeah, I am happy with this one.
Me too.
I do love the Dalmatian.
I mean, honestly, all of them are really cute. There are none that I wouldn't have been happy with.
I kind of wish that we got more.
And it's actually bigger than I expected it to. I mean, it's not a huge pin by any means, but it's a decent sized pin.
Yeah.
It's a really nice one.
We are actually getting more into pins right now too.
And it's so much fun doing these blind pin unboxings. From Box Lunch, this is my last item. I did show this in the vlog, but it's still so cool. We've got this Donald Duck Funko for the holidays, so he's holding some Christmas lights. It actually looks like it's out of a series, so...
The Eeyore one is my favorite.
I don't know much about Funkos, but that looks like it would be like a Disney holiday collection set. So I actually do have, I don't know if my Eeyore is the exact same one, but I got like a Christmas Eeyore from Hot Topic.
Probably is.
And then I kind of want to get the Tigger one. I'm not like a huge crazy fan of Daisy Duck, and I don't really like how that pop looks, but maybe I would get it just to complete the set then. I don't know. But I thought he was really cute. I couldn't pass him up, and made the purchase at Box Lunch, and I'm gonna put him with my small now pop collection, but maybe it'll grow. I have like 3 pops. That was our haul from
the Mall of America.
And we got some pretty good stuff. We didn't get a ton. We didn't have as much time to shop as we thought we would, but we did try a lot of restaurants, cool snacks. We did some stuff at the theme park, so we got a little taste of everything, but by no means not all the things we would have liked to do.
Well, we hope that you enjoyed coming along with us on our little adventure to the Mall of America. It's not our typical Disney trip. It's a little bit of something else, and we hope you enjoyed it.
And if you did like this video, make sure to leave a like on the video. Drop a comment letting us know what you thought about, you know, the mall, our experience.
And if you've been there too.
Yeah, if you've been there before, how it was for you, what's your favorite ride, what you got when you were there, were there any cool snacks or foods that you tried and you really liked, was there anything in our video that you thought looked really good, let us know. And if you haven't already, do make sure to subscribe to the channel to see when we make more of, you know, these adventure, any type of our travel videos. We appreciate you checking out the video, and as always,
thanks for keeping up in Disney. Bye. And I met Dora the Explorer.